So it's LeetCode Problem 918, maximum sum circular subarray. So in this problem, we are given an array. We are given an integer array called nums. Okay. So each element is a number. It can be positive or negative. So we need to find the maximum possible sum of the subarray. Example. See, they are given a nums like this: 5, -3 and 5. Okay, so it can be positive or negative also. We need to find the maximum possible subarray. So a subarray means continuous element taken together. So we find this various subarrays. First is 5, next is 5 and 3, and then -3 and 5, and last is 5, -3 and 5. Okay, so this is what is meant by circular. So what is meant by circular? So circular means after the last element the array connect back to the first element, right? After the last element array connect to the first element. Okay, like a circle. So let's try then. If we have nums like this: 1, -2, 3 and -2. So let's check a normal subarray. First we check a normal subarray. 1 is 1, 3, 1, -2 and 3. So the 2. Okay, so the maximum subarray is 3. Okay, circular does not help here, but so final answer is 3. So let's take this example only: 5, 3, 5, 3, 5. So sum of this number is 7. So the circular subarray is 5. Last is 5 and the first is 5. So circular subarray is 5, 5. So the sum of this is 10. Okay, let's take now we take negative numbers. Okay, -3, -2 and -5. All numbers are negative, so best subarray is -2. So the final answer is -2 only. So maximum subarray sum can come from two cases. Okay, one is normal subarray, one is normal subarray. So the one case is normal subarray. Normal array. This is normal problem. We already know this. We use Kadane algorithm. It's find maximum subarray sum in linear array. And next is circular subarray. This is tricky part. For circular subarray, instead of finding maximum, we find the minimum subarray, then subtract it from total sum. So the formula is of this is circular max equal to total sum minus minimum subarray sum. Okay, so circular subarray means we are skipping some middle parts. The skip part is the minimum subarray. Removing the worst part give us the best circular sum. So let's try them. Okay, see, if we have nums like this, okay, 5, 3 and 5. Okay, so this is max. So we start from 5. So max also 5, and this is min also 5. Max subarray sum, and this is min subarray sum. So now this is our current max is 5, current min also 5. Okay, first value is we start from here. Okay, because we have take first value is 0, we assume that first is 5, maximum minimum always is 5. So we start from I plus 1, so current is equal to max, so 3, 5 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 2. Yes, now current min, this is current min, we call min function. Negative 3, 5 plus 3, this is negative 3, so the max is 5 on 3 is, so the max is 5. In min 5 or negative 3, so min is negative 3. So next value is 5. Okay, so the current is equal to max, we call max function. 5, 2 plus 5 equal to 7. Current min is, we call min function. 5, negative 3 plus 5, so it's 2. So the max of this is 5 and 7, so the max is 7. Min negative 3 and 2, so the min is negative 3. Now we apply the formula. Sum equal to 5 plus negative 3 plus 5, so it's 7. Now what we do? Max sum minus min, so the max is 7 comma 7 is 3. Now max function we call is 7 and 10, so the max is 10. So each case all numbers all negatives, then what we do? Max is greater less than or 0. In that case we return max, do not use circular formula. So let's try run. Now let's write the code. First we need that 4 variables. Int max is equal to nums of 0, int min is equal to nums of 0. Now int current is equal to nums of 0. Current min means also nums of 0. Loop to iterate. Int I is equal to 1. I is less than nums dot size I plus plus. Now we apply Kadane for maximum. Okay, current equal to max nums of I, current plus nums of I. So max is equal to max and current. Now same Kadane for min. Current min equal to min, next nums of I, current min plus nums of I is equal to min, mn, and current min. Okay, total sum of array in sum is 0 for int num is to nums sum plus r equal to num if all numbers are negative, for this we use max is greater than 0. If max is less than 0, return max is less than, no, max is greater than 0. So now we use maximum of normal and circular. Okay, now we just return this maximum, max, return max of max sum minus min. So the time complexity of this is big O of n and space complexity is big O of 1. That's all.